Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a blended access chart in Tableau. It is also called as combined access chart or shared access chart. As name suggests, in blended access chart, we blend multiple measures in a single axis. That means we combine and analyze more than one measures together in a multi-line graph so that we can plot as many measures as we want in the same chart and study their relationship with each other. A blended access chart are useful for comparing measures of same data type and same scale. Examples for these measures will be sales profit or sales budget, etc. So let's start. First, I will create a blended access chart for sales and profit against subcategory. For that, first I will drag and drop subcategory into columns. Then from these measures, I can choose any measure I want. So I will select profit into rows. And to create a blended axis, from these measures, I can select as many measures I want. So first I will select sales and I will drag and drop it into our first axis. First the profit axis was there. Now I have selected sales from measure list and I will drop it on same profit axis. So I will drop it over here, and if you can notice, the name of my axis has changed because now it is a blended axis. Its name was profit and now its name is value because it contains range of all the values for sum of profit and sales. So let's change its name. I will right click and say edit axis and I will select dollar. Okay. Now our blended axis graph is ready. Let's give nice color to this. Okay. Now if you can notice in marks section over here, marks card for both my measures is same. That means if I choose a line, then my both the measures will have line as marks card. If I choose suppose area, then marks card will be same. And suppose I choose, then marks card will be bar for both of my measures. That means in blended axis all the measures will have same marks card. Okay, if also I can create a stacked bar from this. For that I will just have to remove this measure name from here and it will create a stacked bar chart over here. Now I want sales on top of profit. So my chart is ready. A blended access chart for sales and profit is ready. Profit is 42,687 and sales is 1,80,987. Our chart is ready. Also, I will show you one more example, one more way of how to create a blended access chart. Okay, let's start. For that, I will select order date instead of subcategory. So first select order date into column, and I don't want year, I wanted quarter. So I will choose quarter. Okay, and instead of just picking separate measures at a time, what I will do, I will just scroll down over here and if you can see, you see measure values over here at the last, and it says a generated field containing the values of each measure used with measure names to blend measures. Now all the measure values are already combined in this measure values. So I will select these measure values and I will drag it into rows. And if you can notice, all the measures are listed in this field, in this area under measure values section. But again, I don't want these many measures in my graph. So I can just remove unwanted measures from here. I don't want this order. I don't want this again. This. Now 4 measures are there. Let's change the color. Yeah. Now you can see clearly in our graph, in our blended axis graph, we have 4 measures which we can analyze at the same time, and these all are blended measures. Okay, again we can change name of my axis from value to dollar. Okay. Suppose I don't want discount and quantity. Again, I can remove discount and quantity, and my graph is for only profit and sales. And suppose I want it as a bar chart. I will keep it as a bar chart. Suppose I want it as an area. I will keep it as a area chart. Again, I want my sales on top of profit. So I will change it to that. Okay, now our blended access chart is ready. So that's all for today, friends. Hope you like the video, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe. Write your comments below, they will only help me improvise. And for more information on Tableau, visit my blog Bridget. The link is given in the description box. Thank you.